Hello, hello. Prelude, right-hand drive, 97. We're gonna do some work on it ourselves. She's parked on the side driveway. We ordered some stuff from Innovative. I have Innovative motor mounts. Now, we have ordered the front traction bar with a front motor mount. So I am super excited to change this out. But, oh, did I pick a hot one? So, looks like it's got some plastic skid plates, I guess. Turns out my jacks can't get high enough for that, so I gotta rethink those blocks, but I do have jack stands under it because I don't want to die. So I'm going to pop this off and then get access to everything. Bunch of bolts later, we now have access. So get this out of the way. Now I know I got to take these three off. These two big fuckers on each side, and then the top, I think those are 17s up there. So I'm gonna get those first and go from there. It's gonna be interesting for sure. So these two back here are 17 millimeter, and they are not easy to get. I feel like the car is gonna fucking fall on me, but we're gonna get it cracked. God dang. Woo. I'm gonna get a bigger wrench. Not quite a breaker bar, but an expandable, longer. We'll see if that works. Loose. Stupid. Move the camera. There we go. Chump. God bless. You can almost turn it by hand after, which is kind of cool, but not really. The first one I could. This one I can't. Now I probably can, but you can't really get to it. Alright, get these two off, keep going. I already broke these with the longer wrench. And as always, proper footwear, baby. Always. So, when I had Carlos and the boys at X Performance manual swap this, I always thought, you know, this is my dream car. It's right-hand drive. It's even crazier. I'm never gonna do anything to it. I'm gonna always pay somebody. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, like 12 bolts. I'm continually amazed at how much, you know, I've been doing lately to my cars and my project cars. And, you know, if you ever have a hesitation, just do it. Just try it. Call friends, have friends come over, watch YouTube videos. There's so many good YouTube tutorials and, you know, things that can help you through it. Forums, Reddit, all that stuff, Facebook groups. So give it a shot. It's fun. Sweat. Get it done. I popped the hood. I'm going to take the front motor mount off because it's still attached to the traction bar. It's down below. So hopefully I can drop everything out this way. We'll see. Not the easiest stuff. The top two are easy to get to. The one below that, I'm not quite sure I'm going to do that, but we'll get there. Shoes out. Putting them up there in order. That's still my favorite part of the car. Sad, but life. Had to get a shorter socket, but she broke pretty easy. Have to be sure to torque those back to proper spec to make sure they don't come loose. A little bit of a valve leak there. I got a pretty good leak underneath. I gotta look into that and see what that is. I don't want oil spots every week in my driveway. So, all right, let me get this off, see where we're at. Got that motor mount off. Just gotta make sure we're not catching anything, breaking anything. Close. There we go. I'll take it. Not too bad. Now, where am I going to put it? Technically, that's pretty shot. So, all right, let me make sure the new one lines up and everything looks like it'll bolt in before I start messing around. All right, I slid the front motor mount up from the bottom. Just figured that was the easiest way to get it on. Got the 3 bolts started. I'm gonna make sure everything lines up and fits on the bottom before I really torque those down. So all the YouTube videos I watched measured these holes to here to get the length of those bars adjusted out. So I'm going to do that real quick. So, front hole to back hole, I got about 18, or front to front, I got about 18. If I go up there, front to front, it's about 18. So I'm gonna run that. And get the sockets and stuff to tighten these up. Get the tape measure. Front to front should be 18. We're good. I'm gonna tighten the rest of that up on the car. That'll have to work for now. I don't know. This will be interesting. Let me mess with this. I don't really know where these go. Alright, trying to get a couple bolts started. I got the arms in the back resting where they're supposed to rest. This should hold that up on this side. Go down here. I don't know if you can still see me. Don't. Try not to lose any teeth. Oh. All right, I got the big one started. I don't know how. Got these bolts, these two started on each side just to hold it up. Don't have those started yet. Trying to figure out how to get this mounted to this. So let me tighten these up and see where we end up. All right, I feel like absolute shit. Head rush. Been laying on my back for like 4 hours, but she's all in. Everything's tight. This does not fit back, so whatever, I guess. But I got it up on 2 jacks. I got to get the jack stands out, and I'm gonna drop it down. Finished up just as it started to rain, which is nice. But there's the front motor mount. Pain in the butt, mainly because I'm working on the ground, I guess. I don't think it would have been too bad with a lift and stuff, but get all this put away. Unfortunately, I'm not going to test drive it in the rain. This thing's a torque monster. It's hard to keep the wheels from spinning, so gotta wait till it dries to see if I can notice a difference. So, bye.